Now, so it's here for many who say, Papaya and the picture was screen so he's dead. May his soul rest in perfect peace. But then he's strengthened. It did a different year, someone abuaje. Unimno, yes, because helicopter now no shift from against seats, no home. Once the Yankopon fan the crane see ye. But then Papa any wait, in same beer started boba. Remember, say Papa or NDC near Yankopon fan the crane see yes, a helicopter no kanwa auction in kwa. Na owu ye no. Na afe ye kwa so me muno no. Na afe die ye be pese ye be identify no. Who be here say be identify no. Besena say your body na tete ni ti nam ha ni san. In fact ni ti ni kra be hu kra wa shit beyond recognition. Enu ti no ye fa samples ni ye say okay ye de ko South Africa ni a test ni hu so okay. Assume si we ankasa. Ena ewo helicopter nim. Eba ni sa no for us to know if DNA samples na ye de kono ye correct ye de be match and as ye de be test okay ni DNA sample ni ye de test we no e wo se use nipa no ni bibi na ni bibi e be use e wo se use ne mba anase ni relative na nipa ni DNA na ne fa pa anane ne be fa ne ba ho na impenifo be mu ne so okay woman we na waware na one nete oma wo ba intine ba no ye fa ne mbra ne yenko ye DNA ni entimus aboaje ene can play helicopter crash no na say na be at the end of the day you bet me officially bet me ye ruling say we death certificate and also bibi o wa aban no so or ma as compensation be man the busuan for eti for ye koye na ye kofa mami ne ba o share with some aboaje mami say dey be ne ba ne dey be da on allow emma ye friend is saying ye nkwa any DNA results reasons we don't know. And no ene nam so emi busuafo ne car said they be time asamu aboaje ti ase no na o complain say woman na no one net no ye woman we awa no net no believe say eba no na wo no ne de in fact awari ne kura guye ema before elections no omo kokan mo sam be boom na echi no woman no tu kwan ko US omo win elections no sam back into woman said you be a amafo pa say on papa ne sa in same p but then in some way cause say okay we cheat our papa so no na NPP Vincent Assafuah didn't be PM because a bra someone aboaje ti ase no okay someone aboaje e part say ofifie time na on girl net no ofifie say na o sit downstairs akọ but all kono ohun say ka bi approaches na sa aka na approach no NPP MPB number 1 okoye oba no ono hu se sa NPP MP no ne ka na ye den eko echo ye investigation hu se sa NPP MP no one ne yire satana ye ne girl one ne yire no one ne girl no mu bibi ye anche bia na girl ni ye den efefu ono se eye samwo de e na samwo je be abofra ne bai no hwe abofra ne nima ene papa na oye NPP MP no oni ni din se na panistar say oye the all doubt but eba be mu no omo ebusuafo no kokan no omo ware ye se na be kata de no so no problem na DNA sensem ni be mu no na amafo ebusuafo ne party say papa ne ti asekwa no doubt say abofra ne nye ne de na say si a woman no price on fa ne ba ne mba ma yenko DNA no enya confirm say abofra no onye papa ne de in the first place eno nam so ebusuafo no ene eye samu aboaje ne yere kun gidigidi na ye fa abofra ne picture into screen so we are near called Vincent Assafuah. Or no necessarily in some way course no he's been caught in the mix, okay? As you see no also or the statement about or courts. Yeah, share this is someone aboaje on the left side of the screen. Woman na ye can asem no on any bano. Someone aboaje ne alleged daughter no on the side of the screen. Only ye kwa any DNA ma menese on tiasie. No problem. Far from that, no nipa ni di be PM so ye nipa o ye MPA one Samuel Aboaje ni kunu ekodaye ne yire ekodaye yesi onie aye Vincent Assafuah na o hwe aye Vincent Assafuah ne aye abofra na ene omu nyina kokko pepe ye fan two side by side so you know exactly what we are talking about. Inti the two side by side hwe ni ye papa in nim kokoko hwa abofra nim kokoko won so popular MP a okuma se yes ono a ehọ na Vincent Assafuah be ka edi aba betu ja se enye ono a na amanfo bi na shechi on pese omo ye den omo send din enu ti no ono so wo mu anomo target ni se ye ono a omo send din no oh wakoye lawyer no se me ye lawyer pa na e be se mi din pa de debi da quickly we run it to court ene ebe yanka DNA results I just omo ye mi bi because mi nimu manu baby a mi share ne da na sisi ane de obi ba abechiche me kon ho intino or the press release about yenhwe the whole screens no so my lawyer has served a formal notice demanding the retraction and apology of defamatory statement published about me by Deputy CEO for Petroleum Hub Developmental Corporation and 3 others. Reputation is a priceless asset built through the years of service, sacrifice and integrity. Inti Vincent Assafuah party nkofo bi shechi no because Vincent Assafuah ono di ono obeji oyiri sisi be mo kokoko si no se de bi enye ono a ukokuma so se bicycle tie crow ni bi enu ti wo mo ne nam eka sansem no odwage omu nyina akokot enu ti no ye be hwe eye insema ne lawyers no omo de ba ye ni evidi ni ye hwe insema ono so eka insema ono so eka in fact menu ka se isi akra edin fofra ba be to dwan ebi mo point sticker se sticker be dem hwe sticker enim na me hwe se bi abofra na ye ka na asem ni a enim I can tell you say clearly no enyo no but then clearly no ye fa press release no and 2 screens no so na ye nto aso this is the press release ye ba 2 screens so from Vincent Assafuah the lawyers because baby ansem ni edu no edin say ye ya nti ye read we fi kulendi law assist demand for apology and retraction of false and defamatory statement published about Vincent Assafuah SQ. Omuto aso say I asked as lawyer for Honorable Vincent Assafuah hereinafter called my client and hold his firm instructions to write to you in respect to the above subject matter. My client's attention has been drawn to reckless defamatory statement published by you on social media about him. In the said post, you sought to tarnish my client's hard-earned reputation through false narratives intended to cause disaffection against him from the general public by casting innuendos and making false publications to the effect that my client has fathered a child with a married woman whose husband was involved in the tragic helicopter crash that I would, out of respect for his memory, rather not recount. It is as a follower say part say in some man for a perpetuity say on obi akoda na obi a wewu say ya ne ba on ne ya wo no sisi ese ne ba na nya ne dia na point Vincent Assafuah ese debi onim ho hwe na ono kro mpesa we boss asem no so no aboni din because the to papa ya oto say my client states that but for the nationwide telecast of this tragic incident which shook the nation, the said woman and her late husband were unknown to him. My client states categorically that he has never personally encountered the said woman. We hasten to observe that apart from your publications, which is clearly malicious, having been made without regard to truth and decency, it was also made without regard to the sensitivities and respectability that ought to be accorded the family of the deceased who are undoubtedly going through turbulent times. And our party says, "See, and one more mokeka sansem no, o man dwene ebusuano, o man dwene sena die we ya, obi tihye." What I say, obeti say, oba o helicopter we fit swabi abehwe fo mebu amasi akra samu aboaje se ne maame otis asbo nya stroke a sisi ano da wa ontimi nya hwe ye to aso e wa ha si see my client is highly aghast about your conduct and will use all lawful means to insulate his hard-earned reputation from such false defamatory publications. My client by this letter gives you 12 hours ultimatum to retract the defamatory statement and render an unqualified apology to him on the same platform with equal prominence employed in the publication of a prior defamatory statement. Failing the above, I hold my clients unequivocal instructions to commence legal proceedings against you for a reckless publication of defamatory statement against him. Note that should you provoke such needless recourse to litigation, we shall recover from you punitive and compensatory damages and costs of litigation among others. Nti si ane pa se wo mo a o makoka sensem we a se o mo pa acho mo ye o magin so o mo pa acho a no pese yin yisu mbran e be yisu mbran pepepepepe na mbran so yisu a e be make sure say e be Jessica pudu efi nchen a broni fi ni punitive damages ni atwe aso pa e do me sem kra na e do betu jail e do betu jail a wo sha letter no. It was signed by Stephen Insia Opoku SQ ono ye senior associate e wo Kolindu as law. So that is the whole issue at Aircross. So currently, you could see clearly say the whole issue about the whole issue blaming Vincent Assafuah or no, and I said be obi akwada. Anas or no, and then mami a ye kana semi ani kunewu ayaya helicopter crash akwadan or see enye no cre. Emma sisi and menuka say no we push the whole issue to court because in 24 can be say it is say the ya when publication say you take so many years to build your reputation na say you can see be Jimmy Phoebe at one day I say or hard earned reputation clearly no idea course so this is exactly what is really going on. Clearly, no, idea course said you pa. But at the end of the day, no, I was Vincent clearly din because in some way by personally me who din pa. I was asking myself, papa, can me buni pa? But I don't know bit my visa. As you see, I'm the about to just say in some na year can about her no about him no only more she and kufobi na said or muta chia. Omu make sure say ombe say anything for no apparent reason is a odwen hokra ontiase. So that is exactly what is really going on for this is the issue at hand. You be making sure say be follow all of these issues now at the end of the day no updates be a what I was say ye de ma ye for any for no ye be mamo because these issues and edi kanka and it's really getting out of hand. So far no we are all looking for the potential father of the child because if you for no papa no nua the late and someone board ni nua part say maame ne de oye cheat. In fact interview bi kura metie no also ye bonsam hey dear ma koso krum how